Hello, my name is Nazir Khan from the Faculty of Civil Engineering Technology. Welcome to all of you in Canada and around the world. What I have on the screen here is a limit problem, and it's saying as x approach 2, what is going to be the value of this. Now, one of the things about limits or a graph is that we have to have a continuous function, and anytime that we have division by 0, we do not have a continuous function. It is called undefined. So when we look at the denominator here, if I were to plug in 2 for x, I'll have division by 0. So I have to go and change the form of this function to eliminate that. The way that we do that is by factoring the numerator, and hopefully one of the factors of the numerator will equal this in the denominator, and we could cancel it out. Then we won't have division by 0. So let's go and do that now. If I am going to go and factor this trinomial, it'll factor as 2 binomials. When you look at the sign of the C term, if it's negative, it means that the binomials will have, one will be positive, one will be negative. Now, when you look at the inside multiples of the binomial and the outside multiple of the binomial, when you get the product of those, right, it should carry a minus sign. The larger of the product should carry a minus sign. It'll be clear in the next step that we do here. Okay, as we could see, I've gotten the factor, and what I was speaking about, this sign means that the signs in these two will be different, right? Which means that the factors of the inner and the outer, the product, you have to subtract them to get the middle term. That means that the larger of the product have to carry a minus sign. So when we look at this, the way it's set up, that'll give you minus 6x plus 1x will give you 5. Let's go and check this whole thing now. This times that, the first times the first, will give you this term, 3x squared. This will give you minus 6 plus 1x will give you minus 5x, and this times that. So we know that we have here the factors of this trinomial, and happen so we have exactly what we were looking for. We're looking to cancel out the denominators. We could do that when you have the factors matching the denominator. And when you cancel that out, you're ending up with just this term right there. Now I could plug 2 into there, and I'll get 7. The final step of this is to just write it in the proper form. You are going to have the limit as x approaches 2 of 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is going to equal to 7. And that's your final form. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.